everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. Hope that you all are doing great. I am also fit and fine by the grace of Almighty. So friends, today I have come here a place. I think you know this place because you watched my previous video. So yeah, you can see I am with my friend. His name is Imran. So in this place I make 2 or 3 videos, and now I am standing over a soil field, and this is the behind of our street road, our home street road. And on my behind this is a CNG also, you can see. Yeah, so at this time this time is the raining time. For this season I came here with my umbrella, and yeah, so basically when I get free time came here. I have come here in this place. When I get free time I come here in this place, and then I make video, and then I practice in this way. Yeah, so I think you know this place. So you can see on my head, you can see this is the umbrella. So today is raining time. For this season I came here with my umbrella because sometimes it raining and sometimes it's hot in this time in Bangladesh. So yeah, so in Bangladesh the weather is like in this. So for this season we have to prepare for raining or winter or summer. So for this season I have come here with my umbrella. So if I try to show you my friend, so you can see this is Imran. So he is also try to learn English. If I try to ask him some question, so what is your name?
My name is Imran.
What class do you read?
I read in class 8.
So he also can speak English, but he cannot. He do not come onto the camera. For this reason I do not see his face in front of you. So yeah, I want to share about this thing. So if I try to express this self, so please took this umbrella, and you can see in my behind there are lots of trees, and there are lots of, you can see, banana trees. And I told you in this, and I do not talk about in this thing, but you can see the air is very nice at this time. The weather is very nice because it's raining and it's also the sunlight. Yeah, you can see. So in this day I like very much because in this day I have come in this place, and when in this day is not coming and I have to go far away from my home for my practicing English. So yeah, there is a grandfather. He look at me, what am I doing? You can see, here you can see, and he is going. I don't know where he is going, but his name is Bahar. Yeah, so he know me, but he call me. For this reason I look at him. So yeah, at this time in our area, you can see this is our building. On my behind, this is our building, behind of this bonsai tree. So yeah, I want to finish this video in this time, and I want to share about one thing. That thing I told you in my any video, that if I mistake, you didn't care about those mistake. Many people think that why this boy say anything again and again. Why this boy say this thing about again and again. So because the reason is I am a beginner, I am a learner. I want to practice English, and I want to become a fluent speaker in English, and I want to go to abroad for my job. And every people should have learned English. So I think when I watch many types of YouTube shorts, and then I saw, basically my father told me to learn English, and then I look many types of videos on YouTube. So for this season I learn English, and every day I practice English in Hybro app. So yeah, I want to finish this video in this time because the raining is very highly. So yeah, so goodbye, and practice English like in this way.